HTML is the code language used for creating websites. It's just plain English. You can either code your page yourself or use a CMS. I love to code myself. I think that there are advantages in knowing how to code as a designer. A few of them are more control over the implementation of your design. You decide how to make the site useful, decide about your use of typography. Understand developers, work together with them in harmony. Even if you decide to use a CMS system, you will benefit from knowing HTML and CSS. I think that while learning the CMS, you can also learn some HTML and CSS to give you more control. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, invented by Tim Berners-Lee in the 80s. The HT stands for hypertext, which is a link, that thing you click on a web page. It can be a button, image, or text. Next is the ML, which stands for markup language. The markup tells the browser what to do. An example of a markup is the words between the angled brackets. In this example, strong. So if you write some stuff between the markup tells the browser how to render the words. You will see the words displayed strong in your browser. The items in the angled brackets will not show on the screen. HTML is just plain English. Because of that, it's easy to learn. You will just need a few words to make a nice page. The grammar of the HTML language is the syntax. You will grasp the syntax by practicing. Doing something repeatedly will make you an expert at it. And that is also the case for CSS, which stands for Cascading Style Sheet. With CSS, you can add the styles to your page. CSS will save you a lot of work. By changing one thing in the style sheet, you will change it over all the pages. CSS also uses plain English words. Don't get discouraged if you want to learn HTML and CSS. It's easier than you think. Let me know if you think you should know how to code as a designer or not. For now, happy coding!